Welcome back to our channel, Little Artists Be Creative. Today, we're doing something super fun. We're drawing Baby Sonic. That's right. Grab your pencils, markers, or crayons, and let's get started. Are you ready? Ready. Let's go. First, we'll draw a big round head. Baby Sonic has the cutest little face. His spiky hair is like tiny triangles. I think it makes him look extra cool. Amazing. I love how you made the eyes so bright. Thanks, Mama.
I think yours is so neat and perfect.
Art doesn't have to be perfect. It's about having fun and being creative. Just like we are now, they look fantastic. Blue is the main color, so we'll use blue all over his body. Use orange for the small parts of his face and stomach. So, if you draw Baby Sonic, share it with us. We'd love to see your version too. Ta-da! What do you think of our Baby Sonic? See you next time. Bye!